Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.cu portal. Here we go. Today is August 29 and we're starting from Euro-dollar pair with Andrei Shevchenko. The statements made by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell on August 25 halted the decline of EURUSD right at the lower boundary of the upward channel. This, along with the pair's rise earlier in the morning, formed an area for sellers at the level of 1.0842. Considering that on M15 we have a three-wave pattern A, B, and C, where wave A represents the upward movement. Market players could open long positions with stop loss set at 1.0793 or 1.0770 and take profit locked at the breakout of 1.0840 and 1.0880 and 1.0930. The trading idea came from the framework of the price action and stop hunting strategies. The next stage of our review is the next major, GBPUSD. This trading plan is presented by Petar Yukimovic. GBPUSD has been trading upside in the background, and we found breakout of the three-angle pattern, which is good sign for further upside movement. Due to the breakout of the triangle pattern and momentum increase, Petar sees potential for the further growth towards upside references. Upside objectives are set at the price of 1.2651 and 1.2715. MACD oscillator is showing upside momentum with no signs for reversal. Intraday support is set at the price of 1.2600. Let's trade with MACD indicator. Here is USDJPY currency pair, presented by Jakub Novak. For long positions, buy when the price hits 146.59 and take profit at the price of 147.06. Growth will occur as a part of developing upward trend. However, when buying, ensure that the MACD line is above zero, or it just starts to rise from it. Also consider buying USDJPY after two consecutive price tests of 146.20. But the MACD line should be in the oversold area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 146.59 and 147.06. For short positions, sell when the price reaches 146.20 and take profit at the price of 145.66. Pressure will return in the event of breaking the daily low. However, when selling, traders must ensure that the MACD line is below zero or is starting to drop down from it. also consider selling USDJPY after two consecutive price tests of 146.59, but the MACD line should be in the overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 146.20 and 145.66. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tsoupas. Early in the European session, gold is trading around 1923, below the 200 EMA and above the 21 SMA. Gold rallied yesterday to reach 10th August levels at 1925 and was rejected by the 200 EMA. We can see on the 4-hour chart that gold is trading within an uptrend channel formed since August 17. In the next few hours, it is expected to continue ascending and could reach the top of the uptrend channel around 1937. In case gold reaches the 200 EMA located at 1925 and fails to break above it, this level could act as a barrier and could be seen as an opportunity to sell with a target at 1917, 21 SMA, and at the bottom of the uptrend channel around 1912. On the other hand, in case gold consolidates above 1925, we could expect the price to reach 48 mirror level, its blue line on graphic, located at 1937. This level could be seen as the last barrier for the gold, since below this area, bearish pressure could prevail. If gold continues to rise and consolidates above 1937, we could expect the trend to change in the short term and the metal could reach 1953, 58 mirror level, and even 1967. On the other hand, if gold breaks out of the uptrend channel sharply and consolidates below 1906, then we could expect the bearish cycle to resume and gold could fall to the low of 1885 and even reach 18 mirror level at 1875. Our trading plan for the next few hours is to wait for gold to reach the area of 1925 and settle below this zone. Hence, we will be able to sell with targets at 1917, 21 SMA and 1912. If bullish strength prevails, we could buy above 1928 with a target at 1937. The 4-hour chart shows that gold is reaching extremely overbought, which is prefacing a technical correction that is going to occur in the next few hours. The 1925 or 1937 levels could be seen as key points to sell. What about the cross-currency pair? Here is CAD-JPY pair. Arif Makmur describes. Although There's CCI indicator on its weekly chart. CAD-JPY has managed to break the upward its three main level, -100, 0, and 100. However, because hold on its supply level area, so that there is potential that in a few weeks ahead, CAD-JPY down below to test the level 104.23. If this level successfully broken below, then the level of 100.86 will be the next target which will be aimed, as long as on the way down there is no significant upward correction to pass above the level of 109.50. Because if this level is successfully broken above, then all the downside scenarios that have been described previously will become invalid and cancel automatically. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with AUD-USD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. The Australian dollar is rising for the second day. The 0.6388 support level proved overwhelming for the bears to overcome. And on the daily chart, the Marlin oscillator rose a day earlier. Now the price will try to reach the nearest target level of 0.6493. Consolidating above this level will open the second target at 0.6570, which the MACD line is approaching. On the 4-hour chart, the price is breaking above the balance indicator line, its red line on graphic. The Marlin oscillator, after a brief consolidation below the zero line, has moved above it. An uptrend in the short term is the main scenario. Despite the union strikes at Chevron LNG facilities, workers at facilities will start rolling stoppages from September 7. The S&P ASX 200 stock index is rising by 0.44%. Market players definitely have a risk appetite. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.